Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today we are doing some staining and I'm going to show you a real quick trick to save you a lot of time. Alright guys, today as I said we have some staining to do, and we have a lot of staining to do. I need to stain some of these pine fence pickets, these pine fence pickets, but I've got about 50 of them to do. Now to do this with a paintbrush, it's going to take forever. I don't want to use my paint sprayer because really I'm not entirely sure how the stain is going to treat my paint sprayer, and I want to keep it just for acrylic paint. So what we've discovered over the years is that a garden sprayer does a great job. It's a little messy, as you can see. I mean, we've used this one before. It's a little messy, but it gets the job done so fast, and it's really easy. So all I'm going to do is pour my stain into the sprayer, and we're going to spray. I'm going to show you what we do, and it's going to save you a ton of time if you've got a lot of staining to do. So let's get to it. It is a super windy day out here, so I apologize in advance if there's a lot of wind noise on the video. But normally, as you can see, I've already been doing this. What I'll do is I'll lay my fence pickets out on this big tarp, and then I just spray. That's to keep it off of my grass. I'm not doing that today because I've got a bum knee, so I'm not going to do all this. I'm taking a few of them, and I'm going to put them over on the sawhorses. Has the same effect. You'll get the idea. We're going to spray these, turn them over, spray them again, wipe them down, and they'll be done in no time. Okay, the first thing we will do is open our stain and then open our sprayer. I'm pouring about half a gallon in, and it's going to be messy. Wipe it up, clean it up a little bit, get it closed up, ready to spray. And I open the sprayer about halfway. You know, I want a pretty good coverage, pretty liberal coverage. And then I just start spraying the boards. Spray one side, turn them over, spray the other side. And as I said, don't be shy with this. Be pretty liberal with it. Now we'll get the sides, and then we'll start wiping everything down. This is one step you can't get around. You have to wipe everything down. But when it's all said and done, this was a very quick process. There you go. We did half a dozen boards, and it took like no time. We did those in about 10 minutes. And really, if we did 20, 30, 40 boards, it wouldn't take 2, 3, or 4 times as long to do those. It really only takes just a little bit longer to do a whole lot more. It definitely beats this guy. So that's just a real quick tip for you. Get an old garden sprayer. You can spray stuff. It makes it really easy. You don't need any power. All you need is just a little bit of time. Hey, I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed this enough that you will like this video. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us some comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you like this and you want to see more like this, we would love to have you on a regular basis. So subscribe to our channel. Be here often. We would love to have you as a part of our family. Thank you so much. See you the next time. Take care.